Nice try, Jack. I must go down to the seas again, to the lonely sea and the sky.
There you are. We were close to a 50k flood damage.
I couldn't do better than your smart sensors. What about the server room?
Only the gym is affected.
And what was the cause?
Dunno. Abnormal behavior, I suppose. Perhaps during the Tuesday workouts.
Jack, go fly a kite.
One more thing. There was a news leak too. Marco will be back from Rome next week.
Jack, you're not getting out of here.
See you at the Greta Thunberg Award, kid.